We were supposed to go to Kiyomizu-Dera today, but it's pouring rain. Instead, we're going to go to Kyoto still, but we're going to look at kimono. So, it's nice, and hopefully I can get a yukata today. I'll show you more when we get there. Because bus rides are boring. Bye-bye. We've been given about 10 minutes to go look at the shrine nearby. Ish. Then we have to get back on the bus. So, yeah, I'll report that in a bit. We're not going to go too far, but I can record a little. So this is the shrine up ahead. I'm gonna get another better shot. Even in the rain, Kyoto's a very lovely place. toy. I was gonna put that at the textile museum, but they're over there. They're like $60, $70 USD. Not counting the stash, the Obi, which is another 20. And you can get them at the mall for way, way cheaper. So I'm just gonna go buy them with my host mother. So for now, I'm gonna just show you guys a nice view of the museum. It's really pretty. This is the pretty part. Down there we have the loom. We have a gallery. It's hard to tell when you can't see how shiny the fabric is. And over there, I recorded it earlier, but we have one working the loom. Lots and lots of thread. You know, it's a seamstress's dream. Everything here is really expensive. So yeah, this was an interesting experience. We're gonna have a lunch after this. So since we had a free day, we decided to hang out at the mall, which has an arcade apparently. Figurines of I don't know what. There's a lot here. Wow. Holy crap. They have a Pokken tournament machine over there, guys. Look. There is so much here. Oh my gosh. We hit the jackpot, children. Oh my god. Okay, that's adorable. It's probably too loud to even hear me. Oh my gosh, cute. So good and terrible at this, and it's probably impossible to live. Cute! Oh, I'm gonna get it though. So a lot of things happened today at the mall so far. We have my friend Tiffany, seen here. She won this after I failed many, many times. So she's the best. She gave this to me, and I was trying to get a converter for my computer. God, this is a mess. This recording's a mess. Yeah, I was trying to get a recording for, I think, my computer. They didn't have it, so the lady from SoftBank actually went and grabbed it for me, and it was cheaper than what I was looking at, too. So, thank you, lady from SoftBank, who saved me from a life without a computer.